Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for biotech research project management. First things first, you'll want to create a new project. Now this might seem basic, but this step is absolutely crucial as it sets the foundation for everything else. It's where you'll input the project's title, description, and expected timeline. This helps us because it allows you to keep track of all the vital details in one place. Next up, add your team members. When doing this, remember to assign roles based on their responsibilities. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone knows their tasks and to facilitate smoother communication. By clarifying roles from the start, everyone knows who to turn to for specific issues, saving precious time and avoiding confusion. Once your team is all set, it's time to use the task feature. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task you create can be assigned to a specific team member with a due date and priority level. This is important because it ensures that every team member knows what they need to do and when they need to do it by, which helps keep the project on track. Now that we've done that, you'll want to explore the Files section. This is where you can upload all relevant documents and data. The beauty of this feature is that it allows for centralized storage, which means no more jumping from one platform to another in search of a crucial piece of information. Finally, don't forget to utilize the discussion feature. This allows for real-time communication with your team, making collaboration a breeze. It's also the place to resolve any issues quickly and keep everyone in the loop. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use UPBASE for managing your biotech research projects more efficiently. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and communicate effectively. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy researching.